Okay. Now, let me run this query. This query is returning only what? Sachin Tendulkar. Only this name contains underscore. Sir, okay? Understood. Now, this query returns only one record. What is this record? Only this record is selected. Because this name contains what? Underscore. Understood or not? Now, you tell me. So, display. Okay, then employees what? Name contains percentage. Name contains percentage. Name contains percentage. What is? Select star from customer table where customer name like. Customer name like. Then actually name contains a percentage. Name contains percentage. Actually, have you write percentage? Actually, you write like this. Yes. Name contains percentage means actually you write like this. But if you write like this percentage is treated as what? Wildcard character. Percentage is treated as wildcard character. But this percentage should not be treated as wildcard character. This should be treated as what? Normal character. Then before this percentage, just give what? Backslash. Next, specify what? Escape what, sir? Backslash. Escape backslash. Okay? Then, so this percentage should not be treated as wildcard character, should be treated as normal character. What is this query returns? This query returns only the customer's name contains percentage. Then, now let's see here. It is selecting only this name. Only this name contains percentage. Understood? Then. So this is the problem that you encounter. To overcome this problem, Oracle is given what? Escape. Understood? Now. Okay, na? Now. Okay, then. Now, like you tell me, employees name contains 2 underscores. Name contains 2 underscores. Employee's name contains 2 underscores. Employee's name contains 2 underscores. Huh? So 2 underscores can be anywhere. Not okay, na? Not immediately it follows. It can be anywhere. Then something like what? Something like this. There is a name like this. This name contains 2 underscores. Then tell me what? Select star from customer where customer name like. Then first you write. Leave it about escape character. First write name contains 2 underscores. How you write? Percentage underscore percentage underscore percentage. Okay, na? Percentage underscore percentage underscore. Yes. So, but this underscore is treated as what? Wildcard character. It should not be treated as wildcard character. It should be treated as normal character. Then give what? Backslash. This underscore is also treated as wildcard character. Then what? Give backslash. So the character that immediately follows backslash, not treated as wildcard character. Next, mention what is backslash is. What is backslash is called? escape character. So what this query gives? This query gives all the customers where name contains what? 2 underscores. Okay, then so now so let me run this, but what this gives? This gives what's it? No. Why? Because in our table there is no record satisfying this condition. If you want to test it, then you do. You insert. You insert and test. Sir, okay, na? Then. That's all. So this is like operator. Okay? Then. Like operator. And the problem that you face in like operator, sometimes you need to compare with what's it? You set based on what? Underscores and percentage. So that case escape is useful. Okay, na? Then for other characters, okay. But when sets based on underscore and percentage, then use what? Escape. That's all. Next. What the next one is? Next. So then there is a operator called what? Is operator. There is an operator is. Is operator. When we use is operator for null comparison. Use is operator for null comparison. Okay. Use is operator for null comparison. For null comparison, use is. Okay, then. So sometimes, like if you see the table, in table, some of the employees' salaries are what? Null. Some employee jobs are also null. I want to find out the employees whose salary is what? Null. Whose job is null. Who are not assigned with any job. Who are not earning the salary. I want to find out that employees. So whenever comparison based on null, then use what? Is operator. So the purpose is only this, comparison with null. How to use this? Where column name is null. Next one. Where column name is not null. Okay, na? How to use this? Where column name is null, where column name is not null. Comparison with null, comparison with not null. That's it.
अब थोड़ा इथी हो, लेकिन अभी भी है कि ये मेरा एक्सपीरियंस होता है सीरियल होता है। स्टार्टिंग में फ्रेशर के आदमी के 6-6 लाख रुपए करके पैकेज दे रहा है, मतलब 50 ऊपर के सैलरी दे रहा है फ्रेशर। लेकिन नॉलेज होना चाहिए। अब बताइए मुझे गूगल के हैक करके रखने लगा ना 30 सेकंड के लिए बिहार के, उस सब के कोई रोकने वाला है? बताइए, उस सब करोड़ों लाख है तो कहीं।
Okay. So, like, what is my question is, employees, display employees, not earning salary. I want to display the employees not earning the salary. Find the employees not earning the salary. What? Select what? Star from EMP, where salary what? If you write equal to what? Null. If I write salary equal to null. If I write salary equal to null, what this gives? This gives what, sir? No rows selected. This gives no rows selected. Select star from EMP, salary equal to null. No rows selected. So, because don't compare null values with what? Equal to. Compare null values with what? Is. Don't compare with equal, compare with is operator. Then now this gives the employees who are not earning the salary. There are two employees not earning the salary. Salary is not. Okay. Who are not assigned with any job. Then I want to find the employees not assigned with any job. Then job is what, sir? Null. Job is null. Then next. Employees what? Earning salary. Find the employees earning the salary. Select star from select star from EMP where salary is not null. Earning salary can be any value. It can be anything. But if he's earning the salary, then select. Salary is what? Not null. So for different comparisons, Oracle is given different operators. Okay, then for different comparisons, Oracle is given different operators. And so all these employees are what's earning the salary. So no, then that's all. Nothing more than this. Is only for this purpose. Okay, comparison with null. Okay, now then. So, like what you learn, what operators you know. Okay, then like where column name, what is in, value 1, value 2, value 3, so on. When comparison with list, use in operator. Next one, where column name between. When we use between, when comparison with what? Range. Like when we use like operator, when comparison with what? Pattern. When we use like is operator, when comparison with what? Null. So in is used with list, between is used with range, like is used with pattern, is used with null. That's all. So this is operator summary. Okay.
ना अगर हम उन्हें रहा रही और कोई यहाँ रिकॉर्डिंग कर लगा देते तो फिर हम ना आए जल्दी हम बोले क्या कि बात है कि वहाँ पे लगावेगा ना आज छूट जीते फिर होगा ना YouTube में हमारा चैनल हो कौन मैं महता सर्च करिए लेकिन कोई चीज़ कभी मिलता हो ना लेकिन मिलता हो फ्यूचर में कंप्यूटर साइंस के बहुत कुछ मिलता हो कंप्यूटर साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग के बहुत चीज़ मिलता हो जैसे तो डेटाबेस से जितना वीडियो यहाँ से डालो रिकॉर्ड करे फिर कहाँ जाओगे सब नहीं जीतो
Okay ना no that's all.
ये कर लेना
कोई काम करना हो ना
Next. So what you learned how to write where conditions by using these different operators. Okay, how to write where conditions. Okay then. Next, so suppose here, see for example, in select what we are writing, select star from EMP. What it is showing? You know, selecting star means selecting all columns. Say all columns. Okay, na? All columns from the table. Selecting star. But you don't want all columns. I want only name and salary. Then select what? E-name, comma, salary from EMP. But it is showing the salaries. But what I want to see? I want to see annual salary. See, I want to see annual salary. This is monthly salary. Actual table contains monthly salary, but I want to see annual salary. If you know monthly salary, can't you calculate annual salary? Yes. How? Multiply salary with what? 12. How to write it? Select what? E name comma salary into 12. Salary into 12 from what? EMP. That means what? Every employee's salary is multiplied with what? 12. 4,000 is multiplied with 12. 48. 8,000 is multiplied with 12. 9,000 is 108. 6,000 is multiplied with 12. Okay, 72. Yes or no? Like this. So every salary is multiplied with 12. Now 48,000, 96,000, 108, 72, 60,000 like this. But you see this output. In this output, what is the heading it is giving? Sal into 12. Okay, na? But you can understand this, sal into 12. But end users, they don't understand this because they are not technical. They don't know what star is. They don't know that star is a multiplication operator. You are the technical, you know star is a multiplication, but end users, they don't understand star is a multiplication. So always you have to show the output with some headings. Heading should be a name. Heading should not be expression. Yes or no? You are showing the expression, na? Don't show expression. Show what? Name. Then, so what you have to do is, you have to declare something. You have to use something. What is that is called alias. What you have to use? You have to use what's that? Alias. Just see this. E name comma salary into 12 as what? ANN sal from EMP. Now you see that heading is changed or not? Yes. How to change the heading? Like declaring like this. What is this ANN sal is called? ANN sal is called alias. What is this ANN sal is called? Alias. Then. So what is alias means? Then. So alias means another name or alternative name. Alias means another name or alternative name. Okay. What is the purpose of declaring the alias? Okay. Then what is the purpose? The aliases are used to change what? Column, what? Heading. If you want to change the heading, then declare what? Alias. Use it to change the heading. Heading is sal into 12. I want to change the heading, then declare alias. Then, how to declare the alias? Like this. Column name or expression. Next one, as what? Alias. As is the keyword, but this keyword is not compulsory. This keyword is optional. As is in square brackets. Something is mentioned in square brackets means it is optional. It's not compulsory. You can declare the alias with as, without as. Okay. Now, so example, like display employee name and what? Display employee name, annual salary. Display the name and annual salary. But actual table contains monthly salary, but user is asking one annual salary. Then, so how to write it? Select what? E name. Next one, sal into 12. Sal into 12 as what? ANN sal. ANN sal from EMP. Now every employee's salary is multiplied with 12. So what the heading it will show? And it will show this heading. So Sachin, what is the salary? 48,000. Okay, then next Arvind, 96,000. like this. So this is the heading you will get.
तो अभी कौन सी हाँ रख तो बड़े बड़े रखे मारते हैं ये
Xerox.
Hmm? As per annum, then whatever you give it here, it will show that. But here, see, I'm showing ANN cell, but not ANN cell. I want annual cell. I want what? Annual cell. Then you write like this. What? You have to write like this. Listen. You have to write what? Annual, then annual cell. If you write like this annual cell, what this gives? This gives what, sir? Error. This gives error. Why?
All one.
Because it contains what? Space. In Oracle, any name, identifiers, you know na? Identifiers. In programming languages, what are identifiers? In programming languages, identifiers means variable names. Variable names are what? Identifiers. In Oracle, what are identifiers? In Oracle, what are the identifiers? Table name is what? Identifier. Column name is identifier. User name is identifier. Alias is identifier. All these are what? Identifiers. Okay? Then, so names are identifiers. There is a rule for names. What is the rule? Name should not start with digit. Name should start with alphabet. Name should not contain spaces. Name should not contain special characters. Okay? Yes or no? So these are the rules for all the names. That rules are applicable to username, table name, column name, alias name. So here, this contains space.
नेवो का लिखा लेना
ना है वो दूसरा चीज
तू क्या कंपनी में काम कर चुका है
ये वाला डिप्लोमा सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के
Rules are ignored. Oracle will ignore the rule. Oracle will not consider the rule. Oracle will not check the rules. Oracle will ignore the rules.
तो मार्क्स
So whether it is contained space or not, whether it is starting with alphabet or not, okay na? It will not check the rules. If you give it in
को ट्रेनिंग के
double quotes. Now let's run this query. Now this query, what then? So
अंडरगोन
now space is there. Even though space is there, the query is executed or not? Yes. But earlier it is given error. Now it's not giving error. Now this query is executed.
इंटर्नशिप सर्टिफिकेट
Okay na? So if contains space, then give it in double quotes. If alias contains space, then if alias contains space, then enclose it in double quotes.
बोनाफाइड ये भी होगा
Double quotes.
तो यूज पे गए
देखिए ये को तो एक्सपीरियंस सर्टिफिकेट लेटर ऑफ इंट्रेंस
ये केएचवाई में समझ ना आएगा जो
वो दूसरा कंपनी को वीवो वाला कहाँ रखा है एक हफ्ता आ रही थी
जो बैक लिया
हो गया के जो के यार तो कहाँ रखा है वीवो वाला कि कहाँ
with a reference to your application and subsequent interview held at our office in Noida, we are pleased to offer the position of senior technician AOI engineering
Okay.
department.
Now.
And total monthly salary 23,000. CTC मतलब 21,000 कौन सी
21,000 प्लस 2,000
21,000 টাকা salary लो plus performance allowance
Then
दोनों मिला के मिलता
one question asked. What is that is?
वीवो वाला पता
Create table with name 1, 2, 3. Create a table with name 1, 2, 3.
okay
Okay na? You ask other Oracle students. Not only like leave it interviews. You ask other Oracle students. Create a table with name 1, 2, 3. They can't answer it. Then create a table with name 1, 2, 3. Then what? Create table 1, 2, 3. So ID is one column. Number 2, name is one column. Varchar to 10. What this gives? Invalid table name. Because you know the reason. What are the rules? Table name should start with alphabet. But it's not starting with alphabet. It is starting with what's the digit. That's why this gives error. Invalid table name. Then you want to ignore the rules. Then create table. In double quotes, what's that? 1, 2, 3. What is ID? Just number 2. Next one. Name. Varchar to 10. Now table is created. What I said, if we give the double quotes, Oracle will not check the rules. Oracle ignore the rules. Okay, na? Whether it is table name or column name or anything. So if double quotes are there, it will not check. Okay, na? Then. So if anyone asks you, create table with name 1, 2, 3. Create a table with contain spaces. So they want to create a table with what employee space, what's that? Information, employee information. Space is there. Then what? Double quotes. Okay, na? Then. Understood? Now, this is not only for Elias. This is not only for Elias. It is for any name. Any name in Oracle. Next. So, like suppose then I'm asking, I want to see name and experience of the employee. I want to see the employee name and experience. So tell me, his experience is there in the table? No. What is there in the table? Hide date. What is there in the table? Hide date. If you know hide date, can't you calculate experience? If you know date of birth, can't you calculate the age of the person? Yes. If you know date of birth, you can calculate the age now. Similarly, if you know hide date, can't you calculate experience? Yes. How to calculate experience? Today's date minus hide date. How to calculate the age? Today's date minus date of birth. Similarly, experience, today's date minus hide date. Then, listen this. Select what's that? E-name, comma, what? Experience. What? Today's date minus hide date. Not hide date minus today's date. Today's date minus hide date. Then, how to refer the today's date? Sys date. Sys date minus what? Hide date. Sys date minus hide date. Then, from what? From EMP. What this gives? This gives what's the experience. So this gives each and every employee's what? Experience. Is working since how many days? 5 days. Maybe we inserted what's that? Maybe fifth or sixth. Okay, na? 5 days. Next, he is also working since how many days? 5 days. 629. You see that? You see the table bars. Select star from EMP. He joined in 4th January. Today is 9th January now. How many days? 5 days. This is also 5 days. He joined in 21. How many days? 629 days. He joined in 20. Then 1059 days. And 19. 1209 days. Like this. So what it is showing? It is showing experience in what? Days. By default, it calculates experience in days. You want experience in years. Then, so divide this value. Divide this value with how much? 365. Okay. By default, Oracle is calculating experience in days, but you want experience in what's that? Months. Sorry, years. If you want experience in years, then so divide with what? 365. That's all. So, but see the what heading? What is the heading it is showing? Sys date minus hide date. If someone will see this, they don't understand what is sys date. They don't understand what is this minus hide date. They don't understand this. So don't show this. Instead of showing this, show what? Experience. Then how to show the experience? As what? Experience. As experience. Then. So run this query. Now, what this query gives? So this query gives each and every employee name and experience. Okay, then.
अभी मेरी हालत खराब है। नए नए वो जनरल की एसी, नए नए सोफे, नए नए कपड़े। दुआ करता हूँ ऐसी हालत ऊपर वाला ऐसी ही खराब है। अरे जब मैंने तुझे पैसे दिए थे तुझे पैसे की सच में जरूरत थी और आज जब तेरे पास पैसा कुछ हो गया है उसी बाले तो इतनी आनाकानी कर रहा है। बहुत कम ऐसे लोग बचे इस दुनिया में जो आज भी सच्चे दिल से किसी की मदद करना चाहते हैं। तो प्लीज ऐसी हरकतें मत करो कि वो भी किसी की भलाई करना छोड़ दें।
Okay, na? No. Next. So what we are like, you are we are writing expressions. Okay, calculations. You are doing some calculations. Experience is what? Calculation. Annual salary is also calculation. So you're doing some calculations. Okay, then suppose I'll ask e-name, salary, HRA, DA, tax, total salary. I want to show every employee's name, salary, HRA, DA, tax, total salary. But what is there in the table? Name is there, salary is there, but HRA is not there, DA is not there, tax is not there, total salary is not there. All these values are what? All these values have to be calculated. We have to calculate HRA. We have to calculate DA. So they have to be calculated. What is HRA is? What is HRA means? House rent allowance. House rent allowance. What is this house rent allowance is? Maybe assume that this is 20% on what? Salary. Let's take DA. What is DA is? Dearness allowance. Dearness what's that? Allowance. Okay, then not daily allowance, dearness allowance. 30% on salary. Next one, tax equal to what? Let's say 10% on salary. What is total salary equal to? Salary plus HRA plus DA minus tax. Salary plus HRA plus DA minus tax. So this is the total salary. So these formulas are given. Based on this, you have to write query. Okay, now.
अरे साक्षात भगवान वेंकटेश विष्णु पर प्रहार किया है। अपने इसको कर्म का दंड तुम्हें अवश्य भोगना पड़ेगा। क्षमा कीजिए मुझे, क्षमा कीजिए। आप जो कोई भी हो, मुझे क्षमा कीजिए, क्षमा कीजिए मुझे। राजा चौर, तुम्हारा ये पाप क्षमा करने योग्य नहीं है। राक्षसी का किया है। राक्षस बनो।
That is all allowances given to employee. DA. Allowances given to employee. HRA, DA. You won't be knowing this. Okay, na? Only government employees knows this. Even after getting job, software job also, you won't know this. You know only one. You know this one. Okay, na? Then. HRA? HRA also? No. Okay. Maybe not all companies. Some companies. Oh. Okay, let's write this query. Select what's her e-name, then e-name what? Next one, salary. Next one, salary into what? Salary into. Okay, na? Salary into. Then what? So he said HR is 20%. Then 20, 0.2. Instead of writing 20 behind it, I'm writing what? 0.2. Then what is as what? This is formula, na? Then, so I want to change the heading. What is the heading you want to show? HRA. Next one, sal into what? 0.1. 0.3, no? As what? DA. Next one, sal into 0.1. As what? Tax. Next one, total salary. How to write it? Salary plus what? Salary plus salary into. Okay, now. So 0. What? Salary plus. Once again, we cannot write like this. If you write like this, HRA plus DA minus tax, it gives error. Why? Because these names cannot be reused. You cannot reuse this name. This is only for changing the heading, but we cannot reuse this name in another expression. Understood? Then again, what you have to write? Again, HRA. What? Again, you have to write the same. Sal into 0. What, sir? 2. Next one, plus sal into 0. What? 3. Next one, minus sal into what? 0.1 as total salary. That's all. From what? EMP. From EMP.
खत्म हो
कुछ ना
इस तरह व्यर्थ ही अपना दूध मिट्टी में नहीं मिलाती है। इस स्थान में कोई आकर्षण शक्ति है जो गौमाता को बार-बार अपनी ओर खींचती है और अपनी इच्छा से दूध की वर्षा करने पर विवश कर देती है।
Okay, then what? So you take, for example, Sachin. Name is Sachin. His salary is what? 4,000. What the HRA is? HRA. HRA is what, sir? 800. And what the DA is? 1,200. 30%. What is the 30% on 4,000? 1,200. Yes or no? Next one. Tax is what? 400. What is the total? So 6,000 minus 4,000. 400. 4,000 plus 800 plus 200 minus 400. Then 5,000. 6,000 no, minus 400. 5,600. 5,600. Yes or no? 4,000 plus 800 bars plus 200. How much? 6,000 minus 400. 5,600. That's all. So if you run the query, then it will show like this. Okay, then now so this is showing. So Sachin's salary is 4,000. His HRA is what? 800. DA is what? 200. Tax is what? 400. Total salary is what? 5,600. Understood? Then so what we are doing is calculating and showing. But this is added to the table. This data is added to the table. Sir, these columns, HRA, DA, tax are added to the table. No, they are not added to the table. They are only displayed. You go and see the table. Again, you see the table. Select star from what? EMP. If these columns are added to the table? No. So the select query only display the data. It will not modify the table. It will only display. At the time of displaying, we are doing some calculations and displaying, but original table remains what? Same. Understood or not? Then select statement only display the data. Understood? Now. Okay then. So this is like what, how to, what's, okay, and how to do the calculations. Okay, na? Then. So tell me, in select what we write, 1 second. Now be clear, in select what we can write, in select what we can write, in select what you write. You write column names, okay, or you can write star, you can write column names, or you can write star. Next you can write, you don't write table names in select bars. You write select EMP from EMP. Then in select we don't write table names. In select what we write? Column names. Be clear then, column names. Here you write column names, or you can write what, sir? Star, or you can write. Just now you learn, then after. What is after? We can write what, sir? Expressions. In select, you can write column names, or you can write what? You can write star, or you can write what? Expression. What expressions you write? You write arithmetic expressions. What is this expression is? Arithmetic expression. Sir, all these expressions. Sir, first one. What is this first one? Annual salary. Salary into 12. This is what? Arithmetic expression. Sys date minus height date. Arithmetic expression. HRA DA tax. All these are arithmetic. In select, you can write column names, or you can write star, or you can write arithmetic expression. In from what we write? In from what we write? Table name. In where class? What we write? In where? In where what we write? Don't say operator. In where you write only between. Then in where you write what? Condition. What is condition is called? Condition is called what, sir? Condition is called relational expression. In select you write arithmetic expressions, but in where you write what? Relational expression. Arithmetic expression gives value, relational expression gives true or false. Understood? Then. So here you don't write relational expressions. In select you don't write like this. Select what? For example, e-name, comma, salary greater than 3,000 from what, sir? EMP. Can you write like this? Can you write like this? No. In select we don't write what? Relational expressions. In select what we write? In select we write only arithmetic expressions. We don't write relational. Salary greater than 3,000 is relational or arithmetic? Relational. So where we write this? You write this in what? Where class? Got it? Then.
निर्वे की करे? विकास हो जाए
मीडिया दलाल आदमी करे
दलाल आदमी ना असल में वो कभी नीतीश
ठेकेदार
मैं बहुत मीडिया के काम करती
ठेकेदार है तो
Okay. Now. This is what. Yeah. Next. So next one is what? Order by class.
अरे दौलागिरी करे ठीक ना पैसा कमाए ना करके पूरा सबसे लूट लपट के कमाए
चाइना से बेटर काम पकड़ा दे
Okay. Order by class.
ऑर्डर बैक
Then, so now suppose here order by clause. Order by clause is what the purpose of this order by. Okay, then order by clause used to, okay, then sort data. You know sorting? You know sorting means what? Arranging. So then
ascending and
used to arrange data based on one or more columns, either in ascending or in descending order.
yes.
Either in ascending or in descending order. So the purpose is used to arrange. Here different clauses are used for different purpose. Where clause is used to select specific rows from the table. Table contains lakhs of rows. From the table, I want to get specific rows. We use where clause. And order by is used for arrange, sorting. Sorting means arranging. You can arrange data based on one or more columns, either in ascending or in descending order. Ascending means what? Lowest to highest. Descending means highest to lowest. Okay, then. So, if you see the table, okay, you see the table. If you see this table, in table, is the data is arranged in any order? You see the table, is the data is arranged in any order? Yes. Employee ID wise, employee ID wise, 100, 101, 102, 103, 4, 5, 6. It is there ID wise. But I want to arrange the data name wise. First I want to show Arvind. Last I want to show Vinod or Vijay, etc. Okay, na? So I want to arrange this data name wise. I want to arrange the data what? Salary wise. I want to arrange the data what? Height date wise. Okay, by default in table, the data is arranged ID wise, but I want to arrange name wise. I want to arrange salary wise. I want to arrange height date wise, join date wise. So if you want to arrange this data based on particular column, then what we have to use? We have to use what's it? Order by. So the purpose is arranging based on one or more columns. Then how to use this order by? We have to use order by like this. Select what? Columns from table name. Next one, select columns from table name where what? Condition. Next what? Order by column name ascending or what? Descending. So on. Select columns from table name where condition order by column name ascending descending like this. Okay, now sir, for every query what is important is syntax. Okay, because when you get a confusion how to write it, just go and see the syntax. No. So what is ASC means? Ascending. DSC means descending. And default order is ascending. Default order is ascending. That means if you don't mention anything, default means if you don't mention ascending or descending, by default, Oracle will arrange the data in which order? Ascending order. If you want descending order, then compulsory you have to mention what? DESC. For ascending, no need to mention. Even if you mention also, no problem. But default is ascending. For descending, mention DESC. Okay? Then. Now. Let's see, suppose, like, for example, arrange what? Arrange what's it? Employee list. Employee list. Name wise what? Ascending order. arrange employee list, name wise ascending order.
राग ना करो
In table ID wise there, data is arranged in ID wise, but I want to arrange what? Name wise. Then how to write? I'm not asking to display only e-name. I want to see what? Employees data. I want to see the employees data. Okay na? Then select what? Star from EMP. Next one. See here where is required or not required? Huh? Am I asking particular employees list? No, I'm not asking particular employees list. I'm asking what? All the employees. If you want all the employees, where is not required? If you want to see particular employees, then where is required? So you see that where is in square brackets means where is in square brackets means it is optional. It's not compulsory. Select star from EMP. Then order by is what? Sorting is based on name wise. Order by e-name. Then which order? Ascending. But no need to mention. Even if you don't mention also ascending. But if you want to mention, you can mention. No problem. So then how this query will arrange? Name wise ascending. A to Z. First it will show what? First it will show name starts with A. Next it will show name starts with what? B, C, D, A to Z. Okay? Then. But suppose, assume there are two employees name starts with A. There are two employees name starts with A. Then one is Arvind is there. Then suppose there is a name Ajay is there. Then first it will show Ajaya Arvinda. Ajay. Because if first character is same, then it will consider what? Second character. Or J. Which comes first? J. So first it will show Ajay. Next it will show Arvind. Okay na? Then.
तो गूगल पे कर ले
Then this query gives. Now run this query. Then. So it is showing what's her name wise. Arvind, Kumar, Rahul, Sachin, Sindhu. Sachin. There are two names starting with what? Yes. If first character is same, then first it is showing Sachin. Next it is showing Sindhu. Next Vijay. Next one Vinod. Here also first character is same. Second character also same. Next. It will do that automatically. Okay. Then. But if this order is permanent, no, only in this output. Only the select statement output, it is showing this order, not in the table. Actual table remains what? Same. Then. So, now, for example, I'll ask arrange what? Arrange employee list, salary wise descending order. Then salary wise descending order. Then what? Select what? Star. Select star from EMP order by salary. Salary what? Salary descending order. For descending order, compulsory you have to mention what? DESC. You have to mention DESC. Then. Now what this gives? This will arrange salary wise descending. So which one is arranged first? Highest to lowest or lowest to highest? Highest to lowest. So the employee earning the maximum salary is arranged first and employee earning the minimum salary arranged last. Now let's see this here. First what's it? 9,000. Next one 8,000. Next one 6,000. 5,000. 4,000.
Ascending order.
Sir, okay na? Then. So, but you see this, these two records are arranged what? First. What are the salaries? Nulls. Salaries are nulls. Nulls are arranged what? Nulls are arranged what, sir? First. Nulls are arranged what? First, na? So, why nulls are arranged first? Why nulls are arranged
टेंशन ना
first?
यार सब कुछ भी करे कुछ भी खाए पिए को
Okay. Why nulls are arranged first? Because
लेकिन
in sorting, listen this point. In sorting, nulls treated low. Sorry. In sorting, nulls treated what, sir? High. Nulls are treated what? High.
गलत
Nulls treated high. Sir, in descending order, descending means highest to lowest. First it will show high, next it will show low. So nulls are treated what? High. That's why null values are displayed what? First.
गाड़ो लाई काम करो
Okay? Then. So,
सोते ही
now,
है यार
what is that point here?
कौन चाहिए जब हालत
Then,
ना हम ओकर वास्ते मेहनत
in
कर दिए थोड़ा
sorting,
रात में जाके
ट्यूशन पढ़ा बस 4-5 को कौन
in sorting,
कोई दिक्कत नहीं
nulls treated what? Nulls treated what, sir? High.
टेंशन पड़े हो गए इतनी कर गए सारा कुछ काम कर गए साला कैसे ना होते
एफडी
In sorting, nulls treated high.
फेसबुक
Then,
इंस्टॉल कर लेके अनइंस्टॉल कर
nulls treated high. So in descending order,
ये निकाल
in descending order,
तो किधर डाल लो देती हम तब तुम हटा
in descending order, nulls are displayed what?
बिहार के
Nulls are displayed what? First or last? Nulls displayed what? First.
फोटो तक ले ले
In ascending order,
लगे ले लो
in ascending order, nulls displayed what? Last.
ट्रेनिंग ये है होवे क्रिकेट वगैरह भी
Nulls treated high. So in descending order, nulls are displayed first, and in ascending order, nulls are displayed what? Last.
दिसंबर के की को डालते रहे कुछ न कुछ में आका साथ है होने
Hmm?
बात ले तो बढ़िया से हो
Okay.
दिल्ली में
Right.
पहले बीपीएससी इन्वेस्ट कर लियो आगे है तो हमारे फोटो साथ है जब कॉलेज में हमने साथ है
No.
साथ है रहे
So, but for example, I want to arrange salary wise descending. I want to arrange salary wise descending,
बिहार लोक सेवा
but I don't want to see the null values what. I don't want to see the null values what first. I want to see the null values what last. Okay. Then what you have to say? You have to say like this. So to display null values last, you have to write query like this. What is that is? Select what's it? Star from EMP. Next one, order by salary descending. Then what? What is your requirement? You don't want to see the null values what first. You want to see the null values what sir last. Then you have to say nulls last. Use this option nulls last. Then only null values are arranged what last. Now you see this. It is descending order or not? Yes. 9,000 to 4,000. But where the null values are displayed? Null values are displayed what? Last. That's all. So how to control the null values? How to control the null values? By using what? Nulls last. Okay? Then. So in descending order, to display the null values last, use nulls last.
और गैलरी में होता पता चली तो जो फोटोज
बिहार में रह गया
So if they ask you
जहनी दिल्ली से
in sorting how to control the nulls,
ये बेड़वा को
they'll ask like this. In sorting how to control the nulls, then
जिम वगैरह जाते
how to control the nulls in sorting, then what is your answer? Using what? Nulls last or nulls first. Okay, by using that nulls last or first, so we can control the null values. Okay now?
कौन ब्रांच ले
Then
मैकेनिकल
so now suppose once again just see salary wise ascending. You want salary wise ascending, then what? Select star from EMP, order by salary what? Ascending. So where the nulls are displayed? Nulls are displayed what? Last. So this is ascending 4,000 to 9,000 ascending, but nulls are displayed last. Why nulls are displayed last? Because nulls treated what? High. Nulls treated high. So in ascending order, lowest to what? Highest. That's why nulls are displayed last. Okay. But I don't want to see the null values last. I want to see the null values first. Then what you have to write? You have to write like this. Select star from EMP, order by salary, ascending. Then what? Nulls first. If you say nulls first, then null values are displayed what, sir? First. So this is how to control null values. Okay? Then depends on the requirement, you write it. Okay? Then. So this is ascending order, and previous one is what? Descending order.
एक्टिंग के कोर्स पे लगा ये मूवी तो कौन कौन किधर उधर करते रहे.
Then. So if you want question, the question is like this. What? Arrange
गूगल फोटो
employee list, salary wise ascending, and arrange nulls first.
हाँ बिजनेस अलग से है अपन बिजनेस के लिए होते हैं लेकिन हम तो बिजनेस यूज करें फायदा किसी की होता है फायदा
You don't want to see the nulls. You tell me. I don't tell.
ये हम मोबाइल धरे हैं लेकिन
You tell me. He doesn't want to see the null values. In the output, he doesn't want to see the null values. Salary nulls are there, na? He doesn't want to see that. Then tell me what? No. Tell me the full condition. Don't tell off answer. Select star from EMP. That is okay. Next.
अकर बर्थडे ना लो
Order by
यहाँ तक दो
salary.
वो दो भी बढ़ो एक में अकर है ना एक में हम
What is that? See, that's what. Once again, when you write query, compulsory strictly you have to follow the syntax. That is the most important. Okay, na? Then see what you are saying. Salary is not null. What is salary is not null? Salary is not null is condition. You cannot write conditions in order by. Okay, na? You cannot write conditions in order by. How can you write conditions in order by? You see the syntax. In order by, what is given? In order by, what is given? Column name. You can specify by which column you want to arrange. Okay, na? You have to write only column name, ascending, descending. That's all. Nothing more than this. In order by. Okay, na? But you wanted only salary is not null. Then what? Salary is not null. What is that? Is condition. Where you write the conditions? You write the conditions in what? Where clause. Then you have to write where clause. Okay, na? Understood? Then. Clear? Now, suppose, for example, like suppose here, then what I want is, for example, display what's that? Employees working as what? Clerk, manager, and arrange what? Output salary wise descending order. Then so I'm not asking all the employees data. I'm asking only clerks and managers. Then what you have to write? Select what? Star from EMP. Where? What? Where? I'm asking only clerks and managers. Then job. What? In job in clerk, manager. Job in clerk and manager. So this query will select only clerks and managers data. But is asking to arrange the output salary wise descending order. Then what you have to do? Order by. Order by salary what descend. Okay. Now, if your condition salary not null, then here you have to write salary is not null. Salary is not null. Then what are selected? Nulls are selected or not selected? Not selected. That's all. Then this query gives only the clerks and managers, and this is selecting only clerks and managers. But see the output. How the output is arranged? Salary wise descending. 8,000 to what? 4,000. Understood? Then.
12 में गए तकनीक पैसा बहुत भेजे तक अब दो दोस्त हैं जैसे हमने दो थे ना गेट में पढ़े हमेशा बचपन से तो ये दोनों बचपन से पढ़े हैं। दोनों यहाँ जाके कॉलेज में निकल के दोनों एक ही कॉलेज में और दोनों बचपन के दोस्त तो साथ रहना हवे लकी के मामले में दोनों बातचीत भी करो एक्सपीरियंस क्या
यार मैं इतना जल नहीं पेट में बैठा हुआ नहीं अब बोल कुछ आप मेरा इंस्टाग्राम को फॉलो काहे नहीं करते हैं पेट पे बैठा हुआ भाई बीएससी पढ़वाना पड़े हम फिलहाल ना कभी इंस्टाग्राम में साइट
Okay, then.
खोल ले कभी कभार
So he's asking only clerks and managers, na?
सर ठीक है तो
But here, like you cannot write like this. Order by what, sir? Salary, where job equal to job in clerk, comma manager. You cannot write like
हम
this.
से भी ना रख ले
In order by, you cannot write condition. You can write only based on which column you want to start, which order. That's all. Where you write the condition. If condition is there, then you find out how to write that condition. You write that condition by using what? Where clause. Okay? Then.
मतलब बोल को मत ना हंसी लागो ना फिर करिए अरे है को नहीं
Understood?
अब कुछ लिख ले लिए
No.
तो थैंक यू
But here, in this example, in these two examples, okay? Then.
इंस्टाग्राम का भी
So first one, what? Sorting based on what, sir? Name. Next one, sorting based on what? Salary. So you know how to sort, plus you know how to control the null values by using nulls last and nulls first.
करते हैं
And next, like how to use where and order by. Yes.
फॉलो करने के लिए बोल रहा
So from table, which are selected? From EMP table, which rows are selected? From EMP table, it will select only clerks and managers. After selecting the clerks and managers, then what it will do? It will arrange. It will arrange salary wise descending order. Okay? Then. Okay then. But here, in these examples, sorting is based on what? Sorting is based on single column. Okay? You can also sort based on date wise. Just see this. Enough. Just see this. What? Select star from what? EMP. Order by what? Height date. What, sir? Ascending. Height date wise ascending. If I say date wise ascending means what? So in our table, the dates are 2019, 2019, 2020, 2021, 22, 23. Then what?
ये वो पोस्ट
What it will show?
4 आदमी हमरा फॉलो कर ले हम 54 आदमी फॉलो कर रहे हैं
हम देखें ना हम चार को डाल रहे पोस्ट हमारा नाम
Not yearly, boss. I'm asking what is the output. First it will show 23 now. First it will show 2019 now.
हमारा वैसे तो फॉलो भी तो ऐसे ही कर ले
Ascending. Ascending means
मतलब हम चार को डाल रहे
earliest to latest, latest to earliest. Earliest date to latest. So first it is showing 2019, 20, 21, 23, 23. Yes?
एक लड़की
Understood? Then. So first it is showing 19, 20, 21. Okay?
पहले ही शुरू कर दे लड़की है
Next what, sir? 23. All these employees joined in what? 23. 23.
दिन भर में
Okay.
4-5 को डालते हैं
Understood? Now. So we can sort based on any column. We can sort based on what? Any column. You can based on, it can be based on name, or it can be based on salary, or it can be based on dates.
भाई सपना तो
Suppose
मेरा एक है
I want to sort based on department
क्लास
number.
में एगो था
Like once again, tell me what? Select sort from EMP. Order by what? Department number ascending. So department wise ascending. First it is showing what? 10. Next it is showing 20. Next it is showing 30. But what is my requirement is within the department, I want to arrange based on what? Salary wise descending. First I want to show 6,000. Next I want to show 4,000. First I want to show 8,000. Next I want to show 5,000. Here first I want to show 9,000. So first department wise, and within the department I want to arrange based on what? Salary wise.
तो मेरा क्रेडिट सही है
Got it?
हमको मिल जाएगा तो
First department wise, or within the department I want to arrange based on what?
बाद में देते रहो
Salary wise. Okay? Then how?
इन्वेस्ट वास कुछ फायदा ना
Then what? So like suppose what is my question is arrange what?
थोड़ा स्टार्टिंग करें तो
Arrange what, sir? Employee list, department wise ascending, and within department salary wise descending.
वो पैसा हमरा दे दी तकर बाद तो अपन रख ली तो चाहे हम तो कोई दिक्कत ना तो हमरा खाली कांटेक्ट सीजनल में कॉन्टेक्ट में सीजनल में कॉन्टेक्ट करिए, खरीदी में बैठो तो खरीदी में बैठिए, अगर हम ना रहिए तो तुम रहिए, खाली तो हमसे कॉन्टेक्ट करिए, तो अगर बात कोई दिक्कत नहीं, पर माल ताल सब पहुंचा दो डायरेक्टली जब भी कभी
तो पैसा पहले दिए पड़ता कुछ
हम लगा लेंगे पैसा वैसे सब खाली तो
खाद बेचना है, बीज बेचना है, ऐसा लगा।
खाद में पैसा ना भी, तो खाद में हम ना कुछ कर पाएंगे, खाद में जितना भी है नहीं, खाद में जितना भी होवे सब नगद लाने पड़ेगा को
Okay na? Arrange employee list department by assigning within department salary
तो
wise.
कभी 50% में
Then how to write? You have to write like this. What?
50% ना रखें,
Select what's
पैसा
the
लाता खाद में
star from
फिर भी जैसे
EMP.
लाता हूँ
50%
Next one,
1800
order by DNO
अगर
ascending, comma, salary what deciding. First sorting is based on first sorting. First sorting is based on department. Within the department, sorting is based on salary.
है कि खाता में एको टका हमारा कोई डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर
Who work for the same department? There are two employees working for them. The two employees are sorted based on what? Salary wise.
सेकंड बात, लेकिन अकर में की हो जितना पैसा तय करिए उतना पैसा दिया, तो
खरीद तो जब
Then, so
सबसे पैसे ले ले
now
पहले
execute this query.
कुछ लड़कियां जैसे कुछ बच गया, देखो बुढ़वा भी बच गई अभी तक ना,
Then you see this. Yeah, these two employees belongs to 10. How they are sorted? First 6,000, next 4,000. Here there are belongs to 20. There are 3. First it is showing 8,000, 5,000. There are 2 belongs to 30. First it is showing null. Next 9,000. So within the department, sorting is based on what? Salary wise descending order. Understood?
संदीपा ठीक है,
संदीप आदमी ठीक हो यार, मैं समझे
जे भी बोल तो
Okay then.
आप तो सपोर्ट भी कर,
So we'll continue this tomorrow.
मैं साउटा मैंने देख आगे करूँ खींचिए ऐसा पुछड़े बोले सब टान ही पास बड़ा
संदीपा जो है ना ठीक आदमी, मैं सपोर्ट भी करे कि हाँ कोई दिक्कत नहीं, प्लस मैं पैसा तो सब करो कि इतना पड़ दो, करिए ना इतना
Oh.
ठीक कर लेते, मैं मना भी ना कर, जैसे गाड़ी होगा तुझसे अगर तेरा देना जरा तो तेरे तुम्हारा कहीं तेरे तो
See,
दिन में
you
है ना हम लोग
ఇక్కడ కామా ఇవ్వలేదు, ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చావు, ఇక్కడ ఇవ్వలేదు, ఇక్కడ ఇవ్వలేదు,
साला एकदम निकल दी
ఇవ్వాలి అంతే. నువ్వు అది వేరు. ఓకేనా? నువ్వు కంపల్సరీ ఈ రూల్ అయితే ఫాలో కావాలి. ఓకే,
हम वैसा रख ले
లాస్ట్ దానికి
बारी करना है
जस्ट देखिए ना
నెక్స్ట్ ఉంటే నెక్స్ట్ లేకపోతే ఇవ్వవలసిన అవసరం.
रेंज काम
कोई भी जीतो
ఈఎంపీ ఐడికి ఇవ్వాలి, ఈ నేమ్కి ఇవ్వాలి, జాబ్కి ఇవ్వాలి, శాలరీకి ఇవ్వాలి, హైట్ డేట్కి ఇవ్వాలి, డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నెంబర్ ఇవ్వవలసిన అవసరం లేదు, బికాస్ నెక్స్ట్ కాలం లేదు. దెన్ అట్లా యూ రైట్ దట్, దెన్ చెక్, దెన్ ఎర్రర్ వచ్చిందంటే అది వేరే ఎర్రర్, దాన్ని చూద్దాం మళ్ళీ. ఓకేనా? అప్లోడెడ్ ఐ థింక్ నాట్ ఓకే. ఓకే, ఐ అప్లోడ్ టుడే. Like definitely I'll upload now itself I'll upload. See, one file is there. That file contains all the dates. January 7th. 7th is not there. 7th means yesterday, Saturday this one, like operator. It is there now. It is there in the notes. I'll upload it.
एक नंबर
Okay now?
हमारे साहब बता रिपोर्ट करना लोग के बड़वा तक
आदमी भी ठीक हो,
Ah.
हमारे साहब
Order by.
रुपया तक ना लोग के पता
Then ఏం కాదు, ఆర్డర్ బై యూజ్ చేయటమే. దెన్ కరెక్ట్ ఆర్డర్లో వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? టేబుల్లో ఆర్డర్ ఉందా లేదా మనకి అనవసరం, మనకి డిస్ప్లే చేసేటప్పుడు ఆర్డర్లో కావాలి అంటే ఆర్డర్ బై. ఓకే, దెన్ దట్ ఈస్ గుడ్, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకేనా? ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడ క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నావు, యూజర్ని? స్కిల్ ప్లస్ బాస్ కనెక్ట్ అయినావు కదా, దెన్ ఎక్కడ కనెక్ట్ అయ్యావు? ఏ యూజర్ కనెక్ట్ అయ్యావు ఫస్ట్? నువ్వు ఎక్కడ కనెక్ట్ చేసావో ఫస్ట్ సిస్టమ్ కనెక్ట్ చేసి దాన్ని ఇప్పుడు అసలు నువ్వు క్రియేట్ చేయకుండా ఎట్లా గ్రాండ్ చేస్తావు? ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ షో యూజర్ అని ఫస్ట్, ఓకేనా? సిస్టమ్ ఉందా లేదా చెక్ చేయి. సిస్టమ్ ఉంటే ఓకే, సిస్టమ్ లేకపోతే సిస్టమ్ కనెక్ట్గా, ఓకేనా? See, 1 second. Hello. See, I'm adding the notes to the Google Classroom. Okay? I'm adding the notes to the Google Classroom. Then, so please, like, ask link for admin. You ask the link. You ask the admin for link. Okay? Then, every day I'm uploading the notes. See, you bring the laptop. Open check. నువ్వు చేయాలి, ఇప్పుడు కల్లా రెడీగా ఉంచాలి. నువ్వు ల్యాప్టాప్ లేకపోతే నువ్వు కమాండ్ చూపించాలి, కానీ ల్యాప్టాప్ ఉంది కదా. వితౌట్ నల్స్ సేమ్ బాస్, విత్ నల్స్ వితౌట్ నల్స్ సేమ్. ఓకేనా? దట్ నల్స్ లాస్ట్, నల్స్ ఫస్ట్ ఈజ్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్. Okay, I'll upload today. Everything uploaded today. So that this notes contains right from the first day to last today. What is the condition, boss? Where salary is not null, then everything will be there in the notes. Class notes are there in, class notes is there in Google Classroom. You can download it from Google Classroom. Okay, then. Where? Second floor. Here, Naresh idea. Okay. Okay. They asked any questions from Oracle?
So many questions they asked from PSP. I told like I don't have that much of knowledge. You can ask me related to like DBA, or you can ask me investing like.
Then after completing you can able to answer easily. But what question they are asked?
In order that.
Okay. బ్యాచ్ 2 PM లోకి వెళ్ళి ఎట్లా క్రియేట్ చేస్తావు బాస్? నువ్వు సిస్టమ్కి వెళ్ళాలని చెప్పాను కదా. సిస్టమ్ పాస్వర్డ్ ఏంటి? సిస్టమ్ పాస్వర్డ్ then see, it's not like it is giving error. Okay, now create user. What is the username? Batch 2 PM. డిఫాల్ట్ స్పెల్లింగ్ తప్పు, అంతే, ఏం లేదు. ఇవన్నీ దీన్ని ఎర్రర్ వచ్చేసింది అనేసి చూసుకోవాలి, అంతే. స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్స్ ఉంటాయి. FULT default quota unlimited. See that unlimited లో కూడా spelling mistake ఉంది.
ना ना कोई दिक्कत
అంతే ఇవన్నీ
या इधर बैठ
ఎర్రర్ వచ్చిందంటే కమాండ్ వర్క్ అవ్వట్లేదు. ఇన్వాలిడ్ కమాండ్ దెన్ ఆల్టర్ యూజర్ లైక్ డబుల్ కోట్స్ వాట్ అండర్స్కోర్ oracle what underscore script equal to what true and equal to alter session okay na set
राखी नहीं कोई दिक्कत नहीं
then underscore
आराम से हाँ
oracle underscore script equals to true okay now create check ఇప్పుడు create అవుతుంది
कितना घंटा
okay na same command
2 घंटे के लिए
Sir, performance training in